Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and sorry about my voice. I have the worst cold ever this week, so I'm still gonna trip on and just get these videos up. Okay guys, so for this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make the best vegan banana bread, and not just because it's vegan, it's also like the best banana bread in general because it's literally like amazing. My mom's not vegan, my brother's not vegan, none of the rest of my family's vegan, and they all love it. Mom always asks me to make it because she just thinks it's like amazing. So I'm gonna just read you out the ingredients first, and then the instructions on how to actually make it. It's like there's literally 9 ingredients. That'd be it. It's so easy. I can't exaggerate how easy this recipe is. It's so easy. If I can make it, like, I'm not a baker or a chef or a cook or anything. Like, I'm terrible at cooking. So if I could do it, you could definitely do it. Okay, so I have my ingredients written out on a little list here. So you're going to need 3 medium ripe bananas, with the ones with like the black spots on them. You don't want like green bananas, like it just won't taste nice, because the riper they are, the sweeter they are. You don't have to add as much sugar then. Then you need a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, white flour, and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that's literally all you need. Okay, so before you start anything, obviously preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's 175 degrees Celsius. So then you're going to spray a 9x5 loaf pan with non-stick spray, and then flour around the pan. Then first of all, you're going to mash your bananas. Then you're going to add, when your bananas are mashed but not like completely mashed, so there's still like some like bits of banana, if you know what I mean. And then you're gonna add your brown sugar, your oil, your vanilla, your milk, and then you're gonna mix that all together. And when that's mixed, you're gonna sift flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon into that, and then you're gonna mix with a spoon. And then you're gonna put that mixture into your pan. This only makes like 1 loaf, so if I make 2 loaves, just double up on the recipe. And then you're gonna bake for 45 minutes and cover with foil, and then bake for another 10 minutes, and your loaf will be done. Now this recipe, I want to see you guys try this recipe, and if you do, tag me on Instagram or comment down below and tell me you've tried it, because this will change your life. This banana bread, like, you won't look at another banana bread again. Like, this is just amazing. So, and it's so healthy as well. Like, there's like such little ingredients, and there's no animals were injured in the process of this. So yeah, it's just amazing. Like, I literally make it all the time. Anyway guys, that's the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because I have loads of videos coming up next week for Easter, and loads of Easter DIYs, then some decorating videos. I have a new project I'm doing, and I'm gonna do, if you like to see a video on how to actually transform your space, like from start to finish, you know, like with all the different steps that you learned in college, I can do that for you, so you don't have to pay the whatever thousands you have to pay to actually do the course. I can just do it on here for you, so you can have a little look-see and you can see if it's right for you. But anyway, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I get it how I live it. I live it.